chase, bus bullet in a boy. Mama ball, boy, what you see her son? Lay down on the fucking gun. She a ball and a tumble down, them have gun, but them a no gun man. Them should have remember say the Askella spray. The 6 months, where them a go with them Chinese? Murder boy, not the middle of the dead, the Askella. We can boy around USA. Wait, shh. I mean, make Madam Bill Mag for store body pan number like SIM card. From me small, me skin get can kill dog. Pussy hole you coulda tough like. Middle 9 rise up a boy full of big yard. High up hand and foot with the fridge car kingfish. I did it every 2 days. Mark cheese a figure back. Hold on, me no fling top me never married. Ale, this one money have to say. What is up, guys? I'm gonna game here with some more energy. Water. Calm it down. Where's my lighter? Lighter! Today, guys, you know we're back again with another energetic breakdown / reaction. To tell them my head scarf, you know? No, not head scarf, just a normal scarf. Just put them on my head cause, you know? Style, me say style, you know? Style, you know? Yeah, style. Anyway, today, we are breaking and react to Morrison Bad Guy featuring Lowski. I'm tired. Just give me a second. Let me get some more water. Boy. Alright, I'm good now. So today, before I do anything, let's do this. Pow! Yes, guys, like before you watch, you know what the thing is. Without further delay, let's jump straight tonight. Coming out, no time for waste. Let's go, man!
Now, in this world, you've got 2 types of people. You've got the people that make mistakes, but after doing so, they take full responsibility for their actions.
Straight.
Then you've got the people that make mistakes. Instead of taking ownership of their actions and the bad choices they made, they'll rather point the finger and blame them on other people.
Yo, this thing just started and it's like what he's saying is 100% real. 2 types of people, and he's explaining two of them to you. If you can't understand, God go with you, cause me nah go.
It's the Hocus Pocus Harry James.
You need people like me. You can point your fucking fingers.
Lift up. This jumping like a Scarface. Who know what Scarface movie yet? Is not alive. No born yet. If you know what, no matter how old you be, you need to watch Scarface movie. Him coming in Scarface, him got the rifle like man and brother. Look on the rifle, dog. Morrison, where you get the rifle from, brother? Me need 1 of them. No, me need 3 of them. Yeah, me need 1/4 dozen. No, me need 1/2 dozen. Yeah. Rifle the man come in with. Me like this so far, and it just start. Fire! Wow! Let's go.
You need people like me. You can point your fucking fingers. Say that's the bad guy. Got that rich man energy. I make money then blow it like bagpipes. I'm in a bando doing up trap life, whipping up.
Bando again. I know what a bando means now. Bando means trap house. So I mean, if not the bando, I whip up him thing for sell it back. Whip up him drugs to sell it back. You need people like him for blame all of the high society crime pan him, because you know say like. Remember say bad guys doesn't own the docks and the airport and the base and stuff, you know. So all of the drugs them come in through the bigger heads, and the bad guy, which is him, that's what he said. The bad guy, which is him, get it from them somewhere, somehow, and sell it back on the street. But it's so happened that the bad guys them always get blamed, not the good guys, the so-called good guys, but them are the bad guy. Them are the devil in disguise. Wolf in sheep clothing. Let's go.
Pole on whipping up bricks. Like look at the flick of the wrist. I'm in a club getting white boy wasted. You ain't on nothing, so you ain't on us.
Yo, me like say him embrace him thing. Him man say, yo, I'm in a club getting white boy wasted. You know what white girl wasted, right? White girl wasted and take off them shoes, and you know one guy bag. Man say, I'm in a club getting white boy wasted. Bad.
Becky the stiff 2 lines, now she just wants to dance and shake her bum. So you ain't on us. Becky just sniffed 2 lines, now she just wants to dance and shake her bum. Shake her bum, shake her bum. She just wants to dance and shake her bum. Becky just sniffed 2 lines, now she just wants to dance and shake her bum.
Oh, him said Becky just sniffed 2. That's him said Becky just sniffed 2 lines, now she dance and shake her bum. Becky, why you sniff 2 line, Becky? Becky, look at you. Why you sniff 2 line? Becky look good though. Becky, why you sniff 2 line though?
She just wants to dance and shake her bum. Becky just sniffed 2 lines, now she just wants to dance and shake her bum. Vinnie Jones played me in Lockstock. I got 2 smoking barrels for a pagan. That's right.
Vinnie Jones, Lockstock, that infamous English movie there. Vinnie Jones. Yo, look on the man. Yo, the man shot it ready, dog.
But L's man's cops get taken for ages. I'll put the coin Caucasian. I'm never on, I've been OT bopping. He loves my music, even though we robbed him. I grab a man's ice and take it. I got 2 smoking barrels for a pagan. That's right. So but L's man's cops get taken for ages. I'll put the coin Caucasian. I'm never on, I've been OT bopping. He loves my music, even though we robbed him.
Him says somebody love him music. I never get the name properly. Leave it in the comment section. Oh, him say love him music, even though him rob him. Him still love him music. Cause basically music, I say, yo, listen, music is that good. Even my ups, I feel listen to my music and not them when them in them carry the traffic light. I look over in my car and can't nothing. And my music them I listen to. Them can't turn it down quick enough for me see it. Boy, my music I listen to you now. What you deal with? Man, like, when them say Morrison, let him just turn it down and ring up him face again. My music I listen to, go ahead. You love my music, go ahead. You're a fan. You are bigger than a fan. You are AC. You are air conditioner. Go ahead.
I grab a man's ice and take it off him and leave a man standing there looking defrosted. My heart stone cold Steve Austin, there ain't no love around here, it's just business.
Man said me rob a man ice and take it off of him, leave him frosted. You see me? We take off him ice them off of him. Man, I know ice, I told last it man. Take off the ice, leave him frosted. Right now, look frosted, because I lose me 2 last it man them. Yeah. You see me? Right now, it says something about Stone Cold Steve Austin. The rest
standing there looking defrosted. My heart Stone Cold Steve Austin, there ain't no love around here, it's just business.
You say I'm hard cold. I'm hard cold like Stone Cold Steve Austin. The red place, Stone Cold Steve Austin. But basically, when I say I'm hard cold like the North Pole. You see me? I'm hard cold like ice. I'm hard cold like the ice which sink the Titanic. I'm hard cold. You see me? Hard cold. That's the man I say I'm hard cold. I'm not have no love and I'm hard for idiot.
I bought packs overseas in LA, now I need to get them across like Christian. Christian Dior looks good on my skin, but I still look good in a cheap like tracksuit. My face is cut.
Man said Christian Dior look good on him skin. But you hear what? Him still good with a Nike tracksuit. You see me? Him not overdo it. Him still, no matter where my him still look good. That's the way I say, not me. Okay, you know, say me not watch man. You see me? Let's go.
Our back looks mad, so we smashed and dash, I stand like tattoo. Different kettle of fish, it's really a different shot.
Low ski in here now. Low ski, I said.
Dior looks good on my skin, but I still look good in a cheap like tracksuit. My face is cut, but our back looks mad, so we smashed and dash, I stand like tattoo.
Hold on. I look at me get one wrong a while ago. Hold on.
Standing there looking defrosted. My heart Stone Cold Steve Austin, there ain't no love around here, it's just business. I bought packs overseas in LA, now I need to get them across like Christian.
This is the bit where him says something. I'm not sure if he's talking about the girl or himself about the tracksuit and Christian Dior. Hold on.
Dior looks good on my skin, but I still look good in a cheap like tracksuit.
Okay, that bit was right, but him says something else about a girl now, Becky.
I need to get them across like Christian. Christian Dior looks good on my skin, but I still look good in a cheap like tracksuit. My face is cut, but our back looks mad, so we smashed and dash, I stand like tattoo.
The man say our face not look good, but our back off, our body, our bum, our bumsy, our cheeks, look good. So him smash it and pass it on. Him not itch around like tattoo. Not a permanent thing. Cause you know say tattoo permanent, right? So it's not a permanent thing. You see me? Take one and move. Hey, girl, take one and move. Hey, girl, take one and move. Hey, girl, take one and move. Basically, that is what he's saying, not me. Becky, you're in the club and shake your bum. Sniff your 2 line, take one, move. Your face don't look too good. You look good from far. Becky looks good from far, but far from good. Becky looks good from far, but far from good. Get it? Becky look... Boy, if you don't get... Alright, let me get it.
Different kettle of fish, it's really a different shot. You ain't on it, musky that bullet, honest. You ain't trying to talk too much. Flip that script, scur and skid. Shell out the whip like Mario Kart.
You know the infamous Mario Kart, one of the best games I ever made for Nintendo 64 and Nintendo. Mario Kart. It's me, Mario. That game there, yeah. We have Donkey Kong and Luigi and Peach, them and yeah. Man say, yo, I'm shut up the whip like Donkey Kong. You know, when they race on certain level, pan Mario Kart, you have to go around certain level and press the handbrake and, you know? Them thing that the man say, yo, I'm shut up the whip like Mario Kart. Levels, red player.
Why is man wearing a vest like bros on his neck like home run bar? Course is frying, Mario Kart. Why is man wearing a vest like bros on his neck like home run bar?
Me that this start what I'm saying a while ago. Why is man wearing a vest that goes around his neck? Him say something but me get to him say because the listen to the do it kind of throw me off.
Like the whip like Mario Kart. Why is man wearing a vest like bros on his neck like home run bar? Course is frying, corn's been flying. My dog like Stewie and Brian. Riding a lot, Fetty what? Use on high when he pressed that iron.
Man say yo, that they like Fetty Wap. Again, no say Fetty Wap have one eye Fetty Wap have. Big up Fetty Wap, but that's how Fetty Wap stay. You see me? So you must say yo, one eye me aim the thing with an. One eye I aim the thing with like Fetty Wap, you see me? That's what I must say, not me. Waterlowski! You see it? Get that one the right still, you see it?
I got gorgeous slaves that give man brain and they think they're base. Using school, they press that iron. I got gorgeous slaves that give man brain and they think they're base. Using school when I was with cats. Ain't no loving on TR straight.
Man say him have girl with game brain, but them think something. Me not go back to that. But the reason why I stop it, in the next line after that, he must say him have. They was in school while he was with cats. So them in a school one time, him are doing thing out on the road. You see me?
You need people like me. So you can point your fucking fingers and say that's the bad guy. Got that rich man energy. I make money then blow it like bagpipes. I'm in a bando doing up trap life, whipping up coal, I'm whipping up bricks. Like look at the flick of the wrist, I'm in a club getting white wasted, you ain't.
Yo! Becky, why you drink out that glass, sir? Becky,
like, look at
why
the
you do your mouth like that?
Look at the flick of the wrist. I'm in a club getting white.
Becky, why you do your mouth like that, Becky? Becky! What you put in your mouth, Becky? The glass empty, Becky? Why you hold the thing like that, Becky? Only thing left for Becky do I give that look up. That look up and, you know? Left that alone. Big up yourself, Becky.
Wasted, you ain't on nothing, so you ain't on us. Becky just sniffed 2 lines, now she just wants to dance and shake her bum. Shake her bum. She just wants to dance and shake her bum. Becky just sniffed 2 lines, now she just wants to dance and shake her bum. I just got a call from the elbow. He wants to meet up and talk some business.
Who is the elbow? Just got a call from the elbow. He wants to meet up and do some business. Who is the elbow? Can someone please explain to me who is Albo? Well, wait, not yet. I will tell you in a minute if you need to explain. Hold on.
He knows one brother that knows one brother with a house of a load of bricks in Wick.
Yeah, who is the Albo? I don't know who the Albo is. Someone explain to me.
Now my man's watering and dribbling. He sent me a dress, now I'm grabbing my mask. He's on my loan like Kevin. I'm plotted outside like Harry and Marv.
Yo! Basically, the person when I got to is Home Alone like Kevin. Home Alone, see it here? Home Alone. Yeah, the person when I got to is Home Alone like Kevin, but him outside a plot like Harry and Marv. Even though Harry and Marv never get through with Kevin, Kevin deal with them wicked still. Not Home Alone. So yeah, Harry and Marv. Alright, you plot like Harry and Marv. You might lose like Harry and Marv, but I doubt it still because him shot it on him, you see me? Harry and Marv never have no shot. Harry. You remember when the break come down and slap? I will slap in his face. Marv. Slap Marv in the slap Harry in his face. That him getting up. So him outside the plot, you see me?
You alright, Morris ain't on nothing, man. Either pull up or shut up my gun, go brock or steal and cup hard roll, get locked off.
The floor change, Bumbo Clad, the floor change. Yo, the floor change.
Morris ain't on nothing, man. Either pull up or shut up my gun, go brock or steal and cup hard roll, get locked off. That's new and thorough.
Yo, either pull up or shut up. The gun go block up. Yo, that me like that floor, yeah. Me like that floor, yeah, but next floor.
Man, either pull up or shut up my gun, go brock or steal and cup hard roll, get locked off. That's new and thorough. I'm still in the hood with the nutters and West Ham shirts and LV runners.
Man say, yo, I'm still not the hood, I'm still not the ghetto, I'm still not the scheme. With the nutters them in a West Ham shirt. West Ham football team. I'm sure women are real while ago, a West Ham shirt. Still not, yeah, with you understand me? At this time, there right now, see me. I'm still, no matter how much money I have, I'm still not get with the G them.
I do more for my young back than his own dad does us on my mother.
Man say, yo, him do more for him younger, him young buck, than him own dad do for him. And him must rape on him mother life, so that's true. You see me? That's what I say, not me. Big up yourself, Morrison.
Who's man preying? Touch me and then ski go skiing. She just wanna shake her bum and free it. Family dodgy, everyone see it.
Man, the man they say, yo, how that boy they a pre? Who am I look pan? Where you deal with man side boy? Hey, you know me? Where you steer? Where you steering and not driving boy? Who you look pan? That the man I say, no, not me. Who you pray? That the man I say.
Touch me and then ski go skiing.
Touch me and the ski go skiing. You see me? You know, say a problem I go on. Trouble. Well, load.
Just wanna shake her bum and free it. Family dodgy, everyone see it. Like you're dead on ski, I won't cheat it. Gucci, I'm Fendi, I mean it. I can't get ching, that's wet, not seasick. Montclair in season, it's news.
Yo, that you bad, you know. Yo, Losky sick to the dog. Losky really sick, dog. Red play pan for days.
Get loose if you talking loose. 4x4 and you hear that boom. Them man capping that shit in this news. Still get loose if you talking loose. 4x4 and you hear that boom.
You will get loose if you're talking loose. Hear that foreign, hear that boom. Something like that him say.
Them man capping that shit ain't true. Lies. I rip that up like a right back.
Man say, yeah, them boy they not make no money. I lie them I tell. You not make no money, I lie you I tell. Move on great with a little bit of money. Yeah. Stop your eyes with a little bit of money. Hey, shut your mouth with a little bit of money. Shut up. That the man I say. You not make no money, I chat or not chat.
No wonder them boy don't like man. I got ski in the cut, just try man. I got ski in the cut, just try man.
You need people like
A long time. No one of them not like me. If I was them, I wouldn't like me too. Cause me have skin on the cut. Just try me. I wanna see. You know want to hear this sound in the morning, yeah? You know want to hear all this sound in the morning, yeah? You know try me. You know try me and make it sound for a boy. We make it sound in a phone direction. Welcome! Welcome! Me make it sound in your direction. Try me. Try me. That the man I say, not me. Calm down. Stop it. Let's go.
me, need people like me. So you can point your fucking fingers and say that's the bad guy. That's the bad guy. Got that rich man energy. I make money then blow it like bagpipes. I'm in a bando doing up trap life, whipping up cola, I'm whipping up bricks. Like look at the flick of the wrist, look at the flick of the wrist. I'm in a club getting white way wasted, you ain't on nothing, so you ain't on us.
Yo, I like the song still. I like the song, yeah. As usual, I react to it late because I choose to. I don't run with the crowd, I don't run with the hype, I do my thing in my own time. You see me? Leave in the comment section which song you want to see me react to. Young artists, also, if you have songs out there that you want me to react to, link me on my Instagram DM. The link is down below in the comments, in the description. Click on it, link me on my DM. Don't slide in my DM, just link me on my DM, brother. Slide in a girl DM only, not my one. Link me on my DM, and you see me? Yeah. I could talk business. You know? Alright, me alright.
She just sniff 2 lines now, she just wants to dance and shake her bum. Shake her bum, shake her bum. She just wants to dance and shake her bum.
Becky!
She just sniff 2 lines now, she just wants to dance and shake her bum.
Bum, everything to get me. Becky just wanna shake her bum. Bum. Badness. Basically, this is just the credits. Morrison, bad song. Lowski, bad feature. Bad. Me like how they change up on the floor. You see me? Me like how the tone change up on the floor. Me like the wordplay them. You see me? The video just nice, video clean. Becky, big up yourself to Becky. Me like it, me like you. Big up yourself, Becky. Me like you, Becky. Yeah, you don't know. So, Morrison, big up yourself, dog. People, that is me for today. So, if you don't want to see more reactions, I want to subscribe yet. You know what to do, man. Subscribe and always remember the golden rule. Like before you watch. Don't like it now, it's too late. Try again the next day or for the next video. Like it before you watch. That's the golden rule. Alright? So, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Is it? What time is it? Oh, I lost it, man. What time is it? Oh, I'm not watching. Later. Peace!